If you want to win more auctions on eBay without constantly watching your screen, automatic bidding is exactly what you need. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set automatic bidding on eBay the easy and updated way. Let's get started. First, go to the official eBay website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, search for the item you want to buy. Make sure the listing format says auction, because automatic bidding only works on auction-style listings, not buy it now. Click on the item you're interested in. On the product page, you'll see the current highest bid and a box where you can enter your bid amount. Here's how automatic bidding works. You don't need to manually place multiple bids. Instead, you simply enter the maximum amount you're willing to pay for the item. Type your maximum bid in the box. Then click Place Bid. eBay will now automatically bid on your behalf, increasing your bid in small increments only when someone else places a higher bid, and only up to your maximum limit. For example, if the current price is $20 and you enter $50 as your maximum, eBay will automatically raise your bid step by step if someone else bids $22, $25, or $30, but it will never go above $50. If someone bids more than your maximum, you'll be notified and can decide whether to increase your limit. That's it. There's no separate setting to turn on. Automatic bidding is built into every auction listing on eBay. Just enter your maximum amount once and the system handles the rest for you. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and updated online selling and buying guides.